Hello and welcome back. This time we have our second Maeven box. So let's get to it, shall we? As usual, we have the booklet of expert advice. This time it is about hair, wedding hair. We have a beautiful, beautiful rose gold bracelet. A little something to bling up any kind of style that you have pre-parties, before the wedding. It's actually very, very nice. We have a thermal mug, perfect for coffee or tea in the morning, or if you want something a little bubbly. We have bride-to-be balloon set. It's nice for your engagement or your couple's party or your bachelorette party. Nice material t-shirt that we have. Just has misses on it. Nice and plain and simple. Nice gray, very soft fabric. Mrs. luggage tag. For your honeymoon. Or if you're traveling to a destination wedding, this is very, very helpful to have. And last but not least, we have a daily planner to keep track of your appointments, alterations, catering, tastings, and all your party to-dos. And that's it for this box. I hope you'll join me next time for our next box, and until then, have a good evening.